I wanted to show you all some of my beautiful Coleus and just mention how easy it is to take cuttings. I go in about 5 to 6 inches down below a leaf node, and a leaf node is where the leaf is coming out of the main stem. You'll take those leaves off and leave a few leaves on top. Sometimes I leave more than others, but remove more if I see that the piece is struggling. But there are so many varieties. This is a group of Coleus that's darker, and I did all these from cuttings. I got maybe 2 plants this season, and from that I've gotten multitude of plants. This is one of my favorite ones. I don't know the names of all of them, but literally you can just go in and take cuttings, even from just leaves. I use sharp knife, or you can do scissors, or I have like a sharp X-Acto knife. But look how quick, that's just a leaf. And stuck it down in water, and it is already rooting after like 4 or 5 days. And so I've got new plants. Now, the leaves take a while, but even that tiny group of leaves fell off, and that rooted too. So there was no rooting hormone or anything in that. It just stuck it down in plain, cool water in a little plastic tub and set it on the side of my kitchen counter. And now I've got quite a few little plants with roots, and these rooted as well. Those are the ones where I removed the lower leaves and just stuck them down in water, and they started rooting. Within 3 days, I saw some roots start to form, and then they started aggressively popping out. And it's just amazing, and I get so excited when I see the rooting taking place and think, oh, I can have a new plant. And so I just make a little hole and stick it down in and keep them watered. But these were more little pieces and leaves, and they really took off. So try this if you like Coleus. It's fun.